What's up to my favorite 10,000 people? We're not exactly 10,000, but we're at 9,942,000 subscribers. We're almost at 10K and couldn't be more thankful. We have a lot of work that needs to get done today. We're going to be doing something with every build we have currently, but not just working on them, we're going to be getting them ready to sell. Off camera we did touch-up paint to the Range Rover, but now all we're waiting on is the emblems to go right here, but that should be coming in today, and once that does, we'll give it a nice detail and get it listed to post to sell. All right, welcome back to the jet ski. We're gonna get that all detailed and get that pictures taken and get that listed to sell. I'm gonna miss this one, but summer break's over for me, and to have a successful business, you're gonna have to get rid of some of your favorite builds eventually. Next is the Corolla. We have the paint, and I think we have all the parts that we need. We'll probably paint the front brace and the back side of the fender today, and then hopefully we will finish this one up this week. Someone in our neighborhood was giving away a free bike, so I went and got that, and I should make some good money off of it. It looks brand new. Really nothing was wrong with it. All I had to do was fill the tires up with some air. But I should get about $50 to $100 for it. Looks brand new. I'll get this listed on Facebook Marketplace, and I'll see how quick it takes for someone to come buy this. So today's gonna be a busy work day, and we try to make most of our videos dedicated to a certain build, but today's gonna be just a random projects of different things. And if you're a part of the 40% that watch our videos and is not subscribed, make sure you help us out by hitting subscribe so we can hit the 10,000 subscriber mark today. So let's get started. All right, like Tyler said, we got a super busy day today. I think the best thing to do is start on this car. We're gonna get this fender off and this brace off. We'll clean them up with this wax and grease remover. And we got the Corolla paint. And we're just gonna hang it on this tent out here. We're gonna do it first today because it's gonna be over 100 and we got afternoon showers every day. So we'll get this out the way and we can detail while it's raining. So let's knock this out, get it cleaned up and painted. All right, so we just finished painting the bracket and the fender. Came out really good. I went ahead and painted the other side, and since I was painting it, went ahead and put the clear coat, but it came out really good. No orange peel, so that's a plus. Now the Corolla is one step closer to getting finished, and we can go ahead and weld all those parts out in front, probably next video. It's gonna come out really good soon. Almost ready to sell. All right, I'm gonna go hook up the jet ski, get that pulled over by the Range Rover over there, get that a good detail. My dad's taking down the fender right now. I already have the golf cart attached to the jet ski. I'm just gonna pull this tarp off and then drive it by the Range Rover.
All right, we just got our badging in the mail. Just came just a little while ago. We made this template. You saw that, I think it was a couple videos ago, but exactly with the center line down here, so we know exactly where to put the letters. These were really cheap, so hopefully it matches. We got the old ones over here. I didn't reuse the old ones because it's felt, and if we'd have put glue, the glue would have came out, so I figured probably best just to get some new ones. I can't even remember if I went with the chrome looking one or the black. All right, so I did go with the silver. Let's see, they are the same. All right, so let's go put them on.
We just finished detailing. It's nice and shiny. The interior looks really good. Got this all vacuumed and cleaned. Smells really good in here. And the paint we touched up earlier, it's nice and shiny. Really like how that came out. Are the letters spacing pretty good?
Yeah, it's matching up. And I noticed they're spaced on here. So if you just wanted to undo the back, looks like it would lay out almost perfect. All right, last letter. Yeah, it's much easier just to buy these instead of trying to reuse the old ones. And after you stick it, just kind of hold it for a few seconds. And peel this off. See, we had the center line, we had the bottom line. That way we know we have it perfect. And that's it. Looks like new. All right, Range Rover is 100% done. Next, we're gonna spend maybe 10 minutes trying to clean this up. But we gotta get the Range Rover out of here because we can't let these letters get wet for like 24 hours or something. So we're gonna park this over in the shade and then clean this up. Then we gotta fix the brakes on that bicycle. Then we gotta go take some pictures of this and take some of the jet ski. It's been a long day and it's super hot today. So let's keep rolling and finish it up. Alright, we're on the road. We're going to take pictures to list this. I guess we're going to do it on Facebook Marketplace, maybe eBay. That way more people can see it. And if y'all want to bid on it too, should have it up pretty soon. We're going somewhere a little bit different to take pictures. We normally go to Southeastern in the parking garage because it has the Lions sign in the back and all that, and it looks pretty neat. So we're going to try this new place out. So let's go. It should be here in maybe another mile or two. All right, I'm not 100% sure where we're going. Go right. This is Carter Plantation. This is where the rich people live by us. Old cemetery.
That's my friend's house right here.
So I think if we stay on this road, there should be kind of a, it's not a huge plantation. I think that's straight in front of us. So there might be some ponds by it. Yeah, they got some super nice houses in here. Way more than we can afford. Got some ponds. So this is the plantation. We got all the pictures. Tyler took them all, I didn't take any, so if they come out bad, it's on him, not me. But it's a nice golf course in here. They don't really let our kind come in here too much. You gotta have money. But it's some super nice houses. This place is probably, I don't know, 10 minutes from us. So now we're gonna go home, and I guess we gotta still take pictures of the jet ski, fix the bicycle. We had 8 hours right now that we've been working today. Started at 8 a.m. and it's after 3 p.m. So that's only 7 hours. So we'll work a little bit more, do some more work, but you work a full day and get what, a 20-minute video? So it takes a lot of work, even though it looks like it's not that much work. So we're gonna head home, take some more pictures, get this stuff uploaded. So if you're interested in this Range Rover, it should be on eBay and you can bid on it. All right, we're back home and Tyler's taking a picture of the jet ski now. So we're gonna have pretty much everything sold, hopefully. The Corolla should be finished maybe in a week or so. That'll be listed. But check out this fender. This thing came out like glass. Tyler far exceeded any paint job I ever did. I mean, that is smooth as glass. So what I finally learned on how to figure out how to stop the orange peel is, if you read the info and it says to keep it at 22 psi. I thought it meant 22 here, but it's actually whenever you have the trigger halfway, you should have 22 on your gauge. So that made a huge difference. Just trying to learn this stuff on your own and trial and error. Just one of those little things we figured out. So after we got that figured out, it's shooting like glass now. And that's a Vevor gun. I think it's like 99 bucks. So it's not even one of your expensive $700 guns. All right, while he's finishing that up, I think I'm gonna just do this bicycle. It's 105 heat index today. And I'm tired of playing around. I'm ready to be done. I normally don't mess with the junk he drives home or brings home from the neighborhood. All right, I think I got this all fixed up now. Had the back brake didn't work, the front brake worked. So I just loosened this up, pulled this wire, and then tightened it up some. That's it. Looks like a brand new bicycle too. So I don't know how much it retails for, but he can at least get half of that. And you'd be crazy what they throw out around here. Pressure washers, the pressure washer we use, found it on the side of the road. Tillers, all kind of stuff. It's unreal. Lawnmowers, every year when they go to crank up their lawnmower and it's been sitting with that ethanol fuel, it never cranks, so they just throw it out. Tyler brings it home from the golf cart and cleans the carburetor up and resells it. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. That's gonna be pretty much it for this one. He's over here now taking pictures of the bike. I don't know if you can see it, but did a lot of work today, making a lot of progress. So hopefully we get all this stuff sold, get this Corolla finished up, and that way we could buy some new builds. If you got anything in particular you'd like us to work on next, let us know, and we'll add that to the list. And we will see you next time.